talk about truss design at CMT Components with Heath Husky. Heath, is there anything special about your truss design at CMT Components?
We use a higher grade lumber than most of our competitors. We have some in-house specifications that are our standards that we hold to that a lot of our competitors don't.
Take us through the different truss options that CMT Components offers.
Okay, we offer many different options. We can do major cut-up houses with all kinds of different dimensions on them, but our standard ones would be just your common triangular shaped truss. Then we can have one that's got a vaulted bottom chord, which would be like your scissor truss. We also do mono trusses, which would just be a single slope. Quite often if someone's adding on to an existing barn, they just use that single slope coming off as a mono truss. We also do attic trusses, and where it's a whole lot cheaper to build up than it is out. And so those trusses can have a living quarters built into them that could be like an upstairs in your house. If you've got a design in your mind that you're wanting to build, whether it be a pole barn or even a house, then you can bring that to us. Sometimes it's just a customer comes here in the office with us, sits down, and we start from scratch. Other times we get something that's been drawn out on a piece of notebook paper and we can work with that. Or if you've already worked with a home designer or even have picked up some blueprints off a web-based internet site of home plans, then we can work with that and actually design a truss package specific for that house to meet your needs and the design criteria that you have. Customers really like the 3D rendering because it's so hard for so many people to see what their house or their pole barn or their whatever building they're doing is going to look like in real life. And that's something that they can even do on their cell phone. And it really helps them give an idea of what that's going to look like on their piece of property.
So in the end, we're going to have full blueprints ready for the contractor to go with.
When we're done designing your specific package, there will be a truss layout for your contractor to know exactly which truss goes where. And we can even provide stamped by an engineer truss design drawings to show if you have any code requirements that you need to show to an inspector.
It's time for us now to head out to the truss shop.